What's up, guys? It's Chad here with Drew Reviews, coming to you from my driveway today. If you've been following, so you know behind me is our new to us 21 Grey Wolf 29BH. The topic of today's review is how to grease your axle bearings. So this trailer right here is equipped with the Easy Lube axles, which makes this process way easier than if you didn't have the Easy Lube axles. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. All right, on these axles, okay, these are Easy Lube axles, and I'm going to show you what that means. But first, we're going to jack up the axles, remove the tires, and underneath this cap, I just call it a center cap. You can peel these off to show where the grease is, but I'm going to take them off and actually do a rotation while I'm at it, and show you guys how to easily grease these axles. So let's get to it. First things first, make sure your tires are chalked on the other side and you're on a pretty level surface, and we'll get this jacked up and take the tires off. Well, it's always important, make sure you chalk your tire. So again, I'm jacking up this back one first, put the wheel chock here. And as far as placement for floor jack, I always put it as close to the U-bolts as possible. You don't want to be jacking it from the center of the axle, as close to the ends as possible. Once you get your tire off the ground, like so, you don't need a whole lot. These tires are pretty small on these travel trailers. And obviously having an impact makes it way easier. It's kind of nice doing this one-handed, but doing it from... All right. So obviously you guys know how to take the tires off. I'm going to take this off and go to the next step. Once you get your tire and wheel off, this is what you're going to see next. This is essentially your grease cap. Next thing you got to do, use something to essentially peel it off. That screwdriver worked really well. All right. It's always best to change these every time you grease your axles just to keep it. This one still looks decent, but there is what I'm looking for. So we're going to hook up grease gun right to this and go from there. Once you have your grease gun all filled with your favorite grease of choice and you got it all primed up and everything, all you need to do, obviously if you don't have the Locknlube grease system like this, obviously this one is nice. It's got the actual locking chalk on it. You're going to want to hook it up to the grease fitting. All right, so we'll get that done here. All right, it's all locked. You can tell because I pull on it, it's not coming off. And essentially you're just going to keep pumping this into here until you see old dark grease coming out. And you want to get all the old dark grease out. And then once you start seeing the new bright red color grease, that's when you know you filled your axle bearing with fresh grease. Now, there's a seal on the back and there's a seal on the front. Okay, the seal is right here. The back seal is on the back. Now, if you try to use a motorized one of these, it might be overpressuring it. You might actually blow that back seal out. So I recommend using a manual grease gun for this job. All right, let's go to it. All right, we're still pumping. You're just gonna wanna pump like this. Okay, obviously I bought 2 tubes. I'm hoping the 2 tubes will do all 4 of the axles. Most likely not at this point, but we still have about 2/3 of this to go, and we're gonna keep on pumping. I'll show you what you're looking for. All right, I'm just starting to see the grease come out now. I'm gonna unlock this so you can see. All right, see the grease that's coming out on the edges in the back? It's kind of a darker color. Okay, so we keep pumping. All right, obviously you're gonna want some, ideally you want shop towels. I am fresh out of shop towels, so I'm just using paper towels. You wanna keep pumping until that grease color turns to be that bright red. Then you'll know it's packed with fresh grease, not old grease. Once you are satisfied with the level of grease that you got in there, I'm definitely satisfied. You're just going to replace this cap. Make sure you put it on there nice and firm. Don't have it all hanging out because you're going to end up losing it. And if you lose this cap and all the grease comes out of this, it's going to end up running you dry. So make sure you reinsert this good. All right, so obviously next step is just going to be reinstalling the wheel and tightening your lug nuts down the spec, and good to go. Well, that is the conclusion of how to grease your axle bearings with an Easy Lube axle. The grease gun I got made easy work of this project. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to the channel. And as always, happy camping. Bye.